How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Dad Makes Dough. Today's video is going to be all about how to make money online as a teenager. Rather than the usual cliches of how to make money as a teenager, there'll be no dog walking, grass cutting, car washing, nothing like that. I'm going to try go a little bit different, and these are some of the ways that I'd use as a teenager. So don't forget, these methods can still be used if you are not a teenager and you're older. That's absolutely fine. It just means that they have a lower age bracket of entry. So they'll still work if you're 13 or 300. So give them a try anyway. So if you are saving for that new console or TV or whatever, don't forget to check these out. All these methods and websites, what I'll do is I'll link them in the description as usual so you can go and click. Some of these will be my affiliate links and I will get a small commission at no cost to yourself. So don't forget to click those links and help me out. If you are new around here, don't forget to subscribe. I've got a little bit more of a different setup today. I'm actually sat on my computer. Right, so first things first, I'm going to go with reselling. So if I was a teen online, I'd start with reselling, and that could be anything. You can resell literally anything. I know that you can have a PayPal account with parental permission. So that means you can have a Depop account, eBay, stuff like that, use a parent's one, anything like that. So you can either go online, search for items. Usually what's a good point of entry is to get bulk clothing and list second-hand clothes. So if you've got loads of clothes just hanging about, then you're not really going anywhere, you don't really need them, you might as well just sell them on. So we've got some sites such as Depop. Depop's really popular at the moment, especially for like vintage and for like vintage clothes and stuff like that. So if you go onto depop.com, just create an account, you see all this sort of stuff at the minute. People are really into used and vintage clothes. So what I'd do is I'd go onto eBay and I'd just search clothes job lot. And like you can look down here, a lot of these, they are branded as well. Men's clothing, ladies clothing, stuff like that. Like this one, 35 vintage sweatshirts. So if we go on here, some of these probably sell really well on Depop because that's the sort of target market that's on there. So if you got this for, I don't know, 60 quid and that's 30. So I'll just do some quick math. So that means each sweatshirt owes you £1.70. So if you sold each sweatshirt for £10, that means you're making like £8 per sweatshirt. It's a no-brainer. If you did that £8, so you got 8 times that by 35, you just made 280 profit just by getting, say, this one. That's how simple it is. Reselling second-hand clothes, or you could really resell anything. So next one's going to be websites. So the best websites I actually recommend, yeah, I'm going to say a couple of survey sites and stuff like that, but these are the survey sites that will get you the money, and I've tried them. So first things is QMe. I've mentioned this before and I'll mention this again. This is one of my favourite survey sites just because they're such quick, simple, easy. You can download the app. You only have to be 16 years old to create an account on QMe, and literally they're just super quick surveys. And not only that, if you look here, I've got a browser extension for QMe right there. And what will happen is, if I'm searching the web for something, I'll get a banner at the side with ads. If I click one of those ads, QMe will pay me just for searching. So that is another method to earn on QMe. So install the browser extension and then you're making money just by browsing the web as you would anyway. Another good thing about QMe is the fact that there's no minimum withdrawal. So I've got £1.10 in here right now. I could literally cash that out straight to PayPal right now. If I had a penny in there, I can withdraw it. If you look at some of my history on here, I had over £204 from this site. Straight to PayPal, no problem. So next one, I've mentioned this again, and you only have to be 13 to sign up to InstaGC, and it's very similar to QMe. However, you get paid in different ways, so you can earn recommended or watch videos. So what you could do, if you go on to recommended, so you can download apps, go shopping, take surveys, tasks, or you can even watch videos. And what you can do with this, if you were to open that, watch video guide, if you were to open this and just watch videos, you could leave them running in the background while you're already working on your computer, essentially making it passive income. And then you can redeem gift cards. These are all the gift cards that you can get. So you can get Amazon, G2A, iTunes, you know, Xbox, Starbucks, Uber, Spotify. So that is another great website that So this is a different website. This is getting paid to test websites and apps, and it's called Userlytx. You literally sign up, register, interact. You'll download a little app or a program on your computer, and all that'll do is it watches your mouse move, so you can test out all websites and such. Literally, just sign up. It says here, once your test has been approved, depending upon the test and what you've actually had to do and how long the test will be, can range anywhere from $5 to $20. And some projects can pay as much as $90 just for having fun, expressing opinions and navigating a web page. Userlytx pays every single Friday straight into your PayPal account, and you'll also receive an email every time there's a new test available what matches your demographic. I do believe you will need a webcam and a microphone, so I'd definitely invest in one of those or borrow one if you haven't got one already. Right, so these are just two quick survey sites that you can use. This one's called Opinionin, and it's just loading up. And what Opinionin is, it's essentially just a survey site, £10 sign up bonus. Literally, sign up, take surveys, get paid. All these are straight to PayPal as well, and you have to be just 13 years old to sign up to this website. I'll leave all my links below, and these are the rewards. I must say that you do have to make $25, and that's the minimum withdrawal. However, depending on the amount of surveys you get, it shouldn't take too long to accumulate that. And then the next one is called Your Surveys. And what Your Surveys does is essentially a similar website, however, you get paid depending on your quality. So, if you're answering better questions on those surveys and better quality, you'll get more money per survey that you take. And same again, this is straight to PayPal. You only have to be 13 years old to sign up, but you do have to have parental consent. So this website has been around for years and everybody knows about it, but it's one of those all but gold websites, and this is Swagbucks. And Swagbucks is the same. You take sweepstakes, you can watch videos, movies, play games, all that, refer your friends. At the minute I've got 450 in there. If you look into my Swagbucks, and you can see that I've had 60,000 Swagbucks, and all you have to do is literally go into gift cards. You can redeem them. There's loads of different things that you can pay, so you can get like Marks and Spencer's gift cards, PayPal, you've got Amazon gift cards, stuff like that. You can even donate to charity if you'd like as well. And this is how much Swagbucks has actually paid out. You only have to be 13 years old to sign up to Swagbucks as well. So give it a try. You've got nothing to lose. It's completely free to start. Now this one's a little bit different. It's something that I've only come across very recently, and it's called something called Slice the Pie. And at first I didn't think it'd be a website to make money. Essentially, I didn't think it'd be a website where you actually review music. Not sure why Slice the Pie, but anyway, this one is you get paid for your opinion. So you sign up and you can review on the internet, and this can be fashion or it can be music, and you literally listen to like 30-second, 90-second song clips, play it in the background, and just leave a little short review on what you thought of it, and you'll get paid. So what you'll do is you'll sign up and you'll pick what music genres that you're into and that you listen to. Certain genres will pay more or less money depending on whether they need more reviews and such like that. And these pay out 5 cents to 20 cents per track. But if you look at the top, this is your star rating, and the better reviews that you will leave on previous music will enable you to get higher paid tasks, so you can make more money per track. So that means the more stars and the better reviews, the more money that you're going to earn. On top of that, payment is via PayPal, and it's every Tuesday. So don't forget to check out Slice of Pie. So next one, I've actually mentioned this before, and I've mentioned this quite a few times, and what this is reselling and flipping iPhones and electronics. Go onto YouTube, learn how to fix iPhone screens. I'll link my video here, so you can go and watch my video on how to flip iPhones. It's super low entry. Literally, you're spending £30 on a broken iPhone screen, then you'll pay a tenner for a screen, and then you'll flip that for 100. It's so easy. You will probably run into a couple of issues, but over time you will learn, and it's such a great method to make money online. People just break the phone, get an upgrade, and it goes in a drawer. So they're not going to use it, they're not missing out on anything. Literally just offer them, I'll give you £20 for that phone. Put a new screen on it, sell it on. You can sell it on Facebook Marketplace, you can sell it on eBay, you can sell it on Gumtree, Spock, all those. make that fast cash is such a lucrative money-making method, is flipping iPhones. The only reason I use iPhones as well is because with Samsungs and Android phones, it's much more expensive to fix the screens. It's a long drawn out process that you can look it up if you want, but I try and stick to iPhones because it's super simple to fix the screen. Right, so the next one's going to be YouTube, and what you're going to say is, oh, it's so cliche, and YouTube is so cliche to make like get 1 million subscribers and live on a boat and fly around the world and all this, but no. And on top of that, you don't even have to have a personality, because if you look at this one in particular, right, so they've got trap music workout, and all they post is non-copyrighted workout music with a picture behind it. See, some of these 11 million views, 10 million views, 8.8, 8.5 million views. These are making a passive income. So just over the last 30 days, views-wise, they've had 1.96, nearly 2 million views in a month, right? For videos that they've not even created. They've essentially just reused them or repurposed them. So if you look on here, if you look on Social Blade, I know these are really incorrect, so you need to take them with a pinch of salt. Anyway, let's take a look. So this particular YouTube channel, Trap Music, so their estimated monthly earnings is anywhere between 331 to 5.3k a month. They've had like 2 million views in the last 30 days, and their estimated earnings are up to £63,000 a year for literally going online, searching for a video, getting the music, putting a nice motivational picture on there, ranking high in the YouTube search results, and then boom, they're essentially, like, they are, you know, consistently uploading, but if they stopped uploading, these videos, like, they're still getting millions. Like, look at this particular channel's not uploaded in over a year, and each video, they're getting millions of views, so this now become passive. They've probably stopped uploading videos because they're making like 3k a month for just leaving them here. So they did the original work up front with all these videos, and now they can just leave it and just get paid. So I know that you do need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized. However, with a lot of these, they can actually do it through affiliate marketing, or something that I did was using referrals. So if you've got an app or something that you want to refer, and you get, say, £10 per referral, so what you do is you make a review on that app and then put your referral link in the description for people to click. And if your video, say, gets 100,000 views, and then, you know, 30 people click on it, 1,000 people click on it, think of all those £10 that you're getting in your wallet through that referral bonus. It's a no-brainer, and essentially it does become passive over time. So give that a try, give YouTube a try. All these methods, you've got nothing to lose. Right, so one of the last ones, right, is going to be Fiverr. And I know everyone says Fiverr, but what they do is they'll go on and be like, right, you could literally, if you don't have any skill at all, it doesn't even matter, because there's so many things online, apps and programs that actually do work for you. So what a lot of people did were they went on background.bg, and it's a website that removes backgrounds for photos, and then people are selling them for $5 on Fiverr. So you look at these, and it's called, if you go to Colorize a photo, or something along these lines, right? So these people will retouch and colour your vintage photos, retouch all photos, colorize all your photos and stuff like that, and they're charging like $5, right? So you look at some of these and you think, are people really making this sort of money, like, just for doing something as simple as that? So this guy's making like $5 for each photo that he recolors or whatever. No, sorry, it's $10. So literally going from black and white to colour. So what you could do is you could put, like, look at this, he's had 25 reviews, do you know what I mean? That's £250 or $250 for if they all got the basic package at $10. Like, he's got more packages here, so we've got $20 and even $35. And all you need to do is go on a website here called colorize.sg, right? Literally, go onto the website, I'll link it below. So you can click on this, you select a photo, not sure why it's loading. Right, so you go on a website called Colorize.sg and you try it yourself. So you go onto this website, I'll link it below. You're not a robot, select a photo. So let's select a black and white photo from my computer. So I downloaded one earlier. Let's have a look at this. So this photo is now gonna colorize. It's not even been a minute. See that? So literally in the space of 30 seconds, it's literally gone from a black and white photo to colorized. Then all you do is download it and send it to the person who's just bought it on Fiverr, and that's $5. That's $5 for like a minute's work. This guy's got 25 reviews. That's not to say how many times they've actually done it, or people who haven't left a review, because it's just something simple and quick and easy. It's a no-brainer. Literally, start making gigs like this, simple gigs. There's people who make gigs of them holding up signs, or like, you could even do video reviews, you know, for like services and products or apps and stuff like that. They'll ask you to download their app and make a review for their website and stuff like that. You can charge much more as well. It's a no-brainer. I really will give this a try. Right, so the final one is going to be design. And what you can do with design, you don't necessarily have to be a graphic designer, because a lot of the times, you know, I'm not bad-mouthing graphic designers and such, but because of the point of entry, and especially with the current situation, loads of people are making their own businesses and they're trying to recuperate funds and lost funds, so they're making money online and starting new businesses and such. So what they'll need is they'll need logos, banners, flyers, stuff like that. You can literally, you know, give it a couple of hours, learn how to make like banners on like Canva, or if you're good with Photoshop or something like that. Try and target small businesses or new businesses on Facebook who are just starting up and they need a logo. You could sell that logo for £20–30 if you can make it. If you wanted to go for the bigger companies, buy logos on Fiverr and sell them to these people for like £100 and just keep that profit. Drop service that, keep the money in between. If you're buying it for $20, charging them $80, you're keeping that. You're keeping like $60. It's a no-brainer. It's so easy to do. So there is quite a few ways that you can make money online as a team. So if you did like the video and these work for you, drop a comment below. Tell me what you like. Tell me how you make money online and how you've been making money during the current world situation. I hope everyone's safe. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like below because it really helps me out and it helps the YouTube algorithm as well, because I only need 2 more subscribers to get to 1,000. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay safe. Take care.